Good evening to everyone present here. Today we are going to discuss a topic on HTML control elements. Okay, HTML control elements. So let me increase the font size. Okay. So control elements. So first of all, we should know what are the control elements. Control elements are nothing but forms. Okay, what is the use of form? HTML form. HTML form reads the data from the end user. So that is the purpose of forms, right? HTML forms is mainly used to read the data from the end user. How it reads data? It reads data from the set of inputs. Okay, it reads data using a set of inputs. First, we can take about it can be a text field, text box. Okay, first it can be a text box. What is the purpose of text box? To read the information. To read the information from the user. Okay, then you have password field. I will list one by one. Then you have uh, radio button for options. Radio button for options. Then you have checkbox field checkbox field Okay, this also meant for options. Then you have text area text area, which is mainly used to read multi-line input. So text area is used to read multiple line. Using text box you can read only a single line input. Using text area you can read multi-line input. Then you have a submit button, finally reset button. So these are the important control elements of HTML5. Let us discuss all the control elements with the syntax one by one. So first one is we'll go with text box. Okay, this is the text box. Okay, so how you can create this text box? This can be created by this code. Okay, by writing a single line of input type. By writing a single line of input type. Input type equal to text. If you use input type equal to text, then your text box will be created. Okay, what's the purpose of this text box? What value you are getting from this text box? I am getting first name from this text box. So I am giving a name for my text box as first name. And then I am creating a submit button. Submit button can be created using this syntax: input type equal to submit, value equal to submit. Next one, multi-line input. As I mentioned already, text area is used to read my input of multiple lines. For example, you can get the comments, you can get the address, and then you can get a description. The better example for multi-line input is you are getting comments of a particular workshop or seminar you have organized. You are getting comments of the participants. Okay, that is a better example for this particular text box, sorry, multi-line text box. Okay, this can be created with the syntax text area. Okay, you have to use text area, and you need to mention the row size and column size. Rows and columns. So which means that the text area will be that this box will be created for 4 rows and 3 columns. So this is the purpose of creating text area. Okay, see here, 5 rows, 60 columns. Upon the rows 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 60 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5 rows and 60 columns will be created for this particular text area. Then password means it is mainly used to read the input that is masked. Which masked means the values that you're typing won't be displayed. Okay, that is called mask. So we'll see an example. So for writing password, you need to mention this: input type equal to password. Okay, input type equal to password, and name. What's the name of this field? Name equal to password. So you're typing everything, and when you give submit button, the password will be submitted to the server. Submit is used to send the data to the some place. Okay, so that can be created with this syntax: input type equal to submit, value equal to submit. Then radio button, you need to mention input type equal to radio, value equal to regular, temporary other. Okay, so checked, what is the meaning for this checked means this radio button will be default, by default this radio button will be selected. Okay, you can change it. By default this radio button will be selected. That is the purpose of mentioning checked here, checked field here. Next one, this is an example, employee type, regular, temporary, other. By default checked you have given here, by default checked will be checked. Okay, the next one, checkbox. Checkbox is nothing but user can select whatever information. Okay, there may be multiple options, user can select any one option. For example, input type equal to checkbox, value equal to LI, VI. LI is nothing but life insurance, VI is nothing but vehicle insurance, HI is nothing but health insurance. So this is displayed in multiple, displayed like multiple options. Okay, among these multiple options you can take, you can choose any one of the option and you can give submit. Next one is drop down list. Okay, you can also create drop down list by creating a tag called select tag. Select tag is mainly meant for drop down. Okay, then you have to give select name equal to location. Okay, you can mention the multiple locations, Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad. So this will be a drop down menu list. You can select any one from these options and you can give submit. Then opt group is also also used with the help of select tab. Okay, so inside Maharashtra is a capital. Inside Maharashtra you can select any city, either Mumbai or either Pune. Okay, likewise inside Chhattisgarh you can select either Raipur or either Bilali. Okay, so that is the purpose of opt group means major part. Under the major part you have several subparts. That is the use of opt group. Then field set. Field set is nothing but it is used to create labels. Okay, it is used to create labels. For example, legend login, it create a login. Then you're closing the field text tag. Okay, sorry, field test set tag. Then output tag is used to display the output to the user. See here, for form on input, you're getting input values, which means item value and tax value from the user, and then you're using output tag to print the output value to the user. Okay, then input color type. Okay, input type equal to color, name equal to favorite color, you mention the value. Okay, color type. Then date type, you can also use date as an input. These are all the features of HTML5. Okay, you can use input type equal to date, name equal to bday. Bday is nothing but birthday. Then so these are the HTML5 form controls. These are very very important form controls. These form controls are very necessary to build an high-end application. Okay, once again we'll recall what are the form controls available. I'm opening the notepad. So form controls. Form controls are control elements. What are the form controls or control elements available? We have seen. First one is text box. Okay. Apart from the text box, you have password field. Password field. Apart from the password field, you have text area. Apart from the text area, what is text area? Text area is mainly used to display multi-line input. Okay, multi-line input. Text box is meant for single line input. Text box and password field both are meant for reading single line input. Okay, single line input. This text area is meant for multi-line input. Then apart from that, what we have seen checkbox, checkbox, checkbox. Then we have seen radio button. Then we have seen radio button. Then we have seen drop down list. Drop down list, which is nothing but you have to use select tag. Okay, apart from that we have seen opt group. So opt group, for example Maharashtra, if you use Maharashtra, opt group opt group opt group GROUP opt group. If you use Maharashtra, if you, for example, we'll take Tamil Nadu. If you use Tamil Nadu /opt group Tamil Nadu, you can select either Coimbatore slash select, sorry, option. Here you need to mention option. Option slash option. Likewise, you can do it. You can close the You can also include another tag like Chennai. So these are the important HTML form controls. Okay. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your patience. I'm stopping the sharing. We'll meet in the next session. Okay. Thank you all.